Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, simple macrame heart keychain. It's fun to play around with the different colors, so let's get started. To begin, you're going to take your keychain clasp and one of your 33-inch cords, fold it evenly in half and attach it to your keychain, tying a reverse Larks head knot. So you're going to go through it, make a loop, pull the cords through and pull tight. And repeat that with one more cord. So you should have 2 attached total. So again, go through, make a loop, pull through, and tighten it. Since I'm working on this foam board, I am going to make sure that these are secure, take my pin and just pin it into the cord. Next, take your furthest left cord. You're going to tie one double half hitch, so cross it over your second to the right. Pick up the right one. You're going to go over your cord, around it and through that loop to the left, and pull. You are going to hold it at a diagonal and then finish it off one more time. And pull. Repeat on the right side, except for you're going to make 2 diagonal double half hitches this time. So grab your furthest right, cross it over to the left. Your next cord to the left is going to go up, over your cord, around it, through that loop, and pull. And then repeat one more time to finish it off. And then you're going to close that point by tying one more using the next cord to the left. Again, go up, over, around, through, and pull, and finish. This next part, grab one more of your 33-inch cords, fold it evenly in half. You are going to align the halfway mark just to the left of your first cord. So I like to do like that. I use my board and I just tighten the cord in there. You can also pin it down just to kind of help. Next, you're going to tie 2 diagonal double half hitch knots going to the right, just like you did. So take your next cord. You're going to go over, and line it up just above that first one, and make sure that it is tight right up against your last row, and repeat. And then you're going to do one more. Just like that. You're going to repeat on the right side, so grab another cord at 33 inches, fold it evenly in half. Your halfway mark is going to go just to the top. I'm going to push it through. And again, you're going to tie, this time you're going to tie 3 diagonal double half hitches going to the right. So take that first cord and make sure it is tight right up against the top. So there's 1, and do 2 more. And close it up. This is what it's going to look like so far. Grab another one of your cords at 33 inches, and you're going to take the furthest cord to the left and attach it tying a reverse Lark's head knot. So go over, pull it through. And then next you're going to take this right cord, go over and pull that loop through. And then repeat with the cord on the left. You're going to just go over it again and pull through. Then you're just going to slide it all the way to the top. Leave your 2 cords to the left out. Grab that third one and tie a total of 3 diagonal double half hitches using the next cord to the right. And that's what it's going to look like. You're going to then repeat on the right side. So attach your very last cord at 33 inches, tying a reverse Lark's head knot. Do the same thing you did before. Take that cord to the right, go up, over and through, and pull tight. And then repeat the other side of the cord. And then slide it to the top. Again, leave out the furthest 2 to the right. Grab that third one over to the left. And you are going to tie 4 diagonal double half hitches to close this point. So using the next cord to the left and start tying. And there's 4. This is what it's going to look like. Next, grab the second cord over, leave this one out, grab the second, and you're going to tie 4 diagonal double half hitch knots to the right. You'll notice it will start to bend. That's giving you your heart shape now. And repeat, leave that first cord out, take the second, and this time you're going to tie 5 to close up the left side. So reach over to your next cord. And 5 to close it. And we are almost done. This is what it looks like. Now you're going to grab that furthest left cord. You're going to tie 5 diagonal double half hitches across. So make sure it's curved. Take that next cord and tie a double half hitch. And then instead of letting go, you're going to gather it with your filler cord. Move over to the next cord and tie another double half hitch around both those cords. And then again, add that to your filler cords. This way you have no cords left out. Move over to the next cord. And your last one for a total of 5. Just like that. You're going to repeat on the same side, and you're going to tie 5 diagonal double half hitches going to the left, again adding your last working cord to your filler cord. So now gather it to the filler cord and move on. And 5. This is what it's going to look like. You should have an open center just like that. And then you're going to flip it over. This is where you're going to take your one cord at 16 inches and you're going to tie a gathering knot to secure all of this. So I like to work from the back. So create a loop and start wrapping. I wrap 4 times, 4 to 5. 4, 5. I'm going to wrap 5 times. And pull it to secure it. Go ahead and trim your gathering knot cord. This is what it's going to look like. And then I like to measure. I measure about 1.5 inches, and I trim. And there is your heart. You can have fun and play around with several different colors. Add it to a backpack, a purse, a keychain. But I hope that you loved this tutorial and thank you for watching. Enjoy creating your own macrame heart.